Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create V-shape earrings. For the earrings you will need Delica seed beads, jumprings, chain and earwire, and of course thread, needle and pliers. I wanted to try different beads and see how that will look like, but I just didn't like the end result, so I ended up using only Delica. Start with 13 beads, 3 light, 7 dark and 3 light green. Our next row will be one light green, so skip one, pass the needle through the second one, okay, here we go. The second bead will be dark one, because we are doing the V shape, and this is the one. Nice and tight. I know it's not always easy. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Now we still need one dark. So skip the bead, pass your needle through the next one. Okay, this is what we have so far. Now we need one light green. And again, skip one, pass the needle through the other one. Make sure you hold it tightly. Nice and neat. And now we again have 2 dark greens. So here we go. Now, as you noticed, we are left with only 3 beads. We need to skip this one here, but now we will pass our needle through the last 2 beads. Those are the last 2. So pass the needle. So this is what we are left with at the moment. Now, we need to pick a light green. So I'm picking up one light green, and now I will sew through these 2 beads here. Now I'm down here, but now I have to go back to here as we want to continue to the next row. So I'm going to pass my needle through these 3 beads again. Now through this bead. And we can continue. When you turn it around, you should actually not see any thread here, so that's good. And turn it around, and then we can continue our V shape. we are basically up here. So now we are going to do this part of the flag, so the little triangle here. Okay, so this is our part, and this is the triangle. So we will going to do this part now. So we start with one dark green, followed by light green, now we need another light green, so we are in the half, but now we are going to turn back. I will sew through this one, back through this one, and I'm going up again. Just make sure you can't see the thread. That's not what you want. What you can do, and sometimes I do that, I'm just stick my needles into the bedwork and come back from the other side, so we don't see the thread here. So when I turn it back, so I'm just going up here. That's where I want to get. Okay, so I flipped the work from this side. We are doing this triangle here, and I'm going backwards now. One up, so I need only light green because we are done with the dark green stripe. So this is our triangle. It's triangle, so we have the one part of it done. Now do the same thing on the other side, but keep in mind that on this side you will need to add an extra bead every second row. Just keep that in mind, don't get surprised. And with these you can secure, of course, you can go back again, and I will do that here. I will pass my needle through just to secure that last bead so it doesn't get pulled, because we want to add the jumpring on it. So we have a top one, and now we're going to do the bottom part. So just go with your thread on one of the sides. It's quite easy to follow now. That's the last bit we have to do to finish up this flag. Where you add your very last. Once you finish the bottom part of the flag, finish the thread by going backwards, making some few knots on the way back. Once done, cut 4 3-centimeter pieces of chain, attach the jumpring and the chain to the top seed bead, but take care not to break the bead, as it may be fragile. Repeat the process on the other side of the earring. and once done, attach both chains to a jump ring and to ear wire. Repeat the steps to create the second earring.